Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we will be unboxing a Kinder Joy. I don't know if you guys should see that, but
yeah.
It is sweet cream topped with cocoa wafer bites, and there's a surprise toy inside. So we're all gonna be unboxing ours, showing you like what's inside, and if they taste good or not, and just different stuff. So.
Okay, so you're gonna go first, or is Jose?
Also make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on post notifications so that you'll know when we post, and also give it a like. Okay.
Here we go. Take the stage.
You want me to go first? Okay, so first you just open it like.
You take apart those. There should be a little thing that you.
Oh, I see.
Oh. You like rip it in half, basically.
Want me to edit that out?
It's very simple. How can I open it, but you can't?
It's actually really, really simple.
Jose, since you've already opened it.
Okay, I got it. So there's two pieces to it. I guess I'll open this one first. I think this side is the toy. Okay, so I got.
They say there's chocolate in here.
It's on the other side.
It's a mini bike.
I got the bike. So basically, I think you're supposed to put it together.
If there's chocolate in here, I know I'll add it.
Like,
Wow, now we're definitely publishing this.
Yeah, now there's chocolate in here.
Oh no, it fell off. Yeah, I'm not gonna put it together right now.
All right.
But-
What's in the other half of the egg?
And then in the other half of the egg should be some chocolate.
And stuff like that.
You sure it's chocolate?
Chocolate wafer, maybe?
Yeah. Okay.
Make sure the chocolate doesn't spread out everywhere.
Okay,
Ooh.
that's kind of. So
Sweet
it's
cream.
like some cream. Jose, move. It's like cream with like these balls in the middle.
And look, on the top of the
I don't know, like it doesn't look that.
on the
great.
top of one of the things there was like a this is a spoon.
Comes with a spoon.
Oh, are you sure this is safe for me to eat? Okay, I guess we'll see how it tastes. It doesn't look that great, but
I think they're allergic to it. Okay, let's just let everybody else.
so it's like this little
Just
thing
eat
on the
it.
inside. Okay.
No, if she's allergic to it, don't.
Whoa. Okay.
I feel like I had a tuna in it.
This is actually really good.
It's like I want to be
There's
video.
like it kind of tastes like
a wafer.
Yeah, that's what I
Oh.
said.
it tastes like a lot like a Kit Kat. Like with the outside, there's
Yeah,
like
exactly.
wafer, and then on the inside there's this like cream, and I think there's actually a peanut like shell.
Peanut shell?
I don't know. There's something hard right there. I don't know what it is.
Okay, I want
Alright.
it.
Wait for your turn.
And then
Portion.
the cream.
Hey, Michelle, let's not smell it. I didn't even open it. Okay, so
Right,
let's turn.
awesome.
Somebody else's
John,
turn.
please take your foot
It's
off.
my turn.
Oreo cream.
It's gonna be my turn, Dad. That's gonna be my turn.
Sure. Wait, after B tries it.
It tastes really good. I don't really know. Like it's kind of like Oreo cream,
Jose, stop it.
Now you can go enjoy that. It's,
but yeah.
it's
Okay.
my turn.
No, it's my turn.
He already opened his, so he's gonna go
That
next.
was nice, John.
Thank you, John.
Sorry. So, are you going?
Collect all
Yes,
the
I'm going.
trash from
I never
off.
stopped.
So this has like a little.
Open the paper so you can see what it's supposed to be.
It's supposed to be.
Talk to him, Lizzie.
It's supposed to be a.
B, nobody took it from you.
I
Yeah,
think he's having some trouble. It looks like. Oh, maybe I don't know what that is. Like it's a little like a.
baby plants. I
It's a mystery toy. Go ahead and eat the chocolate part.
What?
It's a mystery toy. Bring it to mom.
Guys, also I learned that at the bottom of the cream there's some like chocolate cream.
Okay, wait, get out of his turn. Out.
It's a spinning top.
Oh, like a Beyblade.
So I'm opening
Yeah,
this.
actually.
You throw it in there with a Beyblade. Oh, is that the same kind of thing B
And a
has?
launcher.
Oh.
That's exactly the same thing as we had. But what is this?
I don't know, but Banjo wants a sample.
Banjo? No. Banjo's like,
This is like the best unboxing video ever.
Did he do his chocolate yet?
Jose, let's do your,
Do your eating stuff.
give us your opinion of the eating, and so we can move on to the
Take
next.
off the spoon. So
it's
We
like
got
a
his
lid.
spoon already.
yeah, we got the spoon.
You said this is a really tiny spoon. Okay.
Who's next?
John is.
No, I want to go.
No, show.
Okay, Shell can go next. Yeah, go ahead. Pretty good?
I
do you
know
give it
it
from
tastes like a Kit Kat.
Tastes like a Kit Kat.
What do you give it from 1 to 10, Jose?
On a scale of 1 to 10, 1's not very good and 10 is awesome. What is it?
Oh. It's a 10.
It's a 10. Awesome.
That's the category.
Okay, my turn.
Jose, all in.
I get this
All right, Shell, come on over here where Jose is.
Move it. First, I gotta get this open.
Talk to your listeners, Michelle.
Hello.
It's just they
Hello.
just named it
Okay, I'm gonna open up the toy side. Before.
actually.
It's
I
actually
don't
really
even
good.
think that's the toy side, but yeah, the toy side is the one with that.
Okay.
I wonder if we'll get the same thing as Jose or D. Or you'll
Oh, what's this thing?
Oh, look at the directions.
Okay, I found the directions. Ooh, it's like a ball. It's supposed to be the
that you
spell.
put together.
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
It's cool.
Now I'm gonna give my opinion with this chocolate thing.
What was Michelle's choice?
It's like a ball. Like it's something you make into like this ball. Okay, I'm gonna give this.
Oh, is yours different? Or did you just eat the chocolate off the
She
outside?
just ate the chocolate.
Gotcha.
This is good. Tastes like a Kit Kat.
Okay. So have you already, you've opened your thing now. All right, y'all clear out and let John have his turn.
I shall take the stage now.
All right, John.
Okay.
Own it, buddy.
Let's see what we got here.
Fresh from the shower, Chewbacca. Can't believe you're not wearing your Chewbacca mask. You could do your whole review.
Chewbacca brother. You've heard of Chewbacca mom. Now Chewbacca brother.
No, but
Here's our doggy.
no, he's gonna.
Toy Banjo. I erased it already.
Let's see. This is cool. What is it? It's a. Ooh. It's like where you spin it, I guess.
It's a lot like
Another top thing.
No, it's like where you spin the animal and try to guess.
B, how about some tissue?
cards.
Since we were putting this on the
You use
interwebs.
Cards.
Yeah, we are.
You spin it and then use the cards.
Ow! Mom, he threw them at me.
Maybe again. Yeah, I guess we should not.
Ooh.
Give us your opinion. Does it have a
You're going back.
Swiss chocolate flavor with a malty finish?
Thank you, Brendan.
I don't really like it. It's okay.
Maggie B, did you just put the tissue on your dog and then
Yes!
wipe your nose with it?
Oh,
This is just amazing.
I did wipe my nose on it.
Tell me, John, what are
I
your thoughts?
haven't.
I like the cream, but I don't really like the balls.
Oh, can I have
The
the
balls are so good.
one?
What?
E, your turn.
Oh man, the office jokes are just
Go.
Okay. Excuse Michelle, no. Mary Eve, for an added degree of difficulty, has to do hers in French.
Oh. Okay.
Bonsoir.
No, don't do
Bonsoir,
this.
je m'appelle Marie-Evelyn et aujourd'hui on va déguster
I don't get this. Shut this French. No one can understand her voice.
un Kinder Egg.
A keto egg. She's a keto egg.
Donc, quand
How do you say egg and? I didn't say egg and. Kinderoof.
Neuf Kinder.
Oof Kinder.
Dans le œuf, il y a 2 et ça, il y a un... Qu'est-ce que c'est? Oh, un aéroplane et une voiture.
Un avion.
Oh, un avion, yeah.
They're good.
De crème avec les
Boule de chocolat.
oui, les bonbons.
Les bonbons.
Who doesn't want this?
Jose, you're drinking muddy water.
You got a camera. Mancha pudo.
Jose.
This tastes like a Ferrero Rocher, which kind of worries me.
You lapsed from your French.
Sorry.
Why? Because it has hazelnuts or something in normal ones? I'm sure.
Of course.
All right, Maggie B, wrap us up.
Okay. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it.
Peace out from the WhiteFam, Christmas 2K18.
Again, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And we'll see you next time. Bye.
Maybe not next time. Daddy.